Today we're going to watch a short video with Sesame Street on the basics of measurement.
Hello, I'm Drew.
Oh, and I'm Alma.
And we are here to tell you all about the word
Measure.
That's right, measure. Now I play football, and they measure all the time in football.
Oh, that's true. They use those orange chain thingies, right?
That's right, they do, Elma.
Well, tell everyone what measure means, Mr. Drew.
Okay, the word measure means to use a tool to find out how long or tall something is.
Well, can Alma and Mr. Drew measure right now?
Absolutely. What should we measure?
Mr. Drew, can you measure Elmo?
Ah, that's a great idea, Elmo.
Thank you.
And I have my ruler to do it.
Oh, cool.
So let's measure how tall
Yeah,
you are.
measure Elmo.
Okay, here we go. Elmo is 24 inches tall.
Yay! Wow! Well, Elmo just got measured by a ruler.
Okay, Mitch, could you get the lights for me, please? So today, we're going to be learning the ruler and how it can help us measure objects. Now, here is a regular ruler. I wrote it a little bit bigger on the board so you guys can be able to see it a little bit better. Now, does anyone see anything about the ruler on here? Mitch?
It has numbers?
Good! The ruler is going to have numbers. The numbers help us indicate what the length is on the object. Now, the ruler has numbers from 0 to 12. Now, why would there be 0 on a ruler? Anyone?
I don't know.
0 indicates the starting point of the object you're going to measure. Now, does anyone notice anything else on the ruler? Sue?
There's lines.
Good! There's going to be big lines on the ruler, which means that's inches. Inches is going to be the unit of measurement that we're going to be focusing on today. Now, does everyone understand the ruler? Okay. Now, I drew 2 examples on the board for me to do to show you how to use the ruler. Now, when I'm using the ruler, there's going to be a start point and an end point. So the start point, I'm going to put the line where the 0 is, because the 0 is
Where we start.
good. Now, the end point is on the line where the 5 is. So that means this line is 5 inches long. Now, why would I have to add inches after the 5?
So we know what we're measuring?
Good. Inches is going to be the unit of measurement we're going to use when we're measuring this line. So we have to basically name the 5. Now, second line, do you think the second line is going to be longer or shorter than the first line?
Longer.
Longer.
Why?
Because it's bigger.
Good. So I'm going to start at the starting point because I'm going to put 0 there. And the ending line is at the 9. So that must mean this line is 9 inches. Now, does everyone understand how I did that? Okay. Now, can number 1, which is Mitch, come up to the board and do the first example? Now remember, he's using the starting point, which is 0.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 inches. So it's 11.
Good. And made sure he kept the inches on the end because that's the unit of measurement. Now can number 2 come up, which is Sue, and do the second example. Now again, do you think this line is going to be longer or shorter than the first line?
Shorter.
Because?
It's smaller.
Good. Okay.
So I'm going to start at the 0.
Oh, wrong side. Okay.
Then we go 1, 2, 2 inches.
Good.
2 inches.
And Sue also made sure to keep the inches on the 2 so she could explain the units of measurement. Now, does everyone understand what we're doing so far?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I'm going to pass out index cards and rulers to everyone. Now, make sure to look at the ruler and see if you can see the inch line on it like it is on my ruler I showed you and the board. Does everyone see that? Good. So with the index card, you're going to measure the length, which is the long side, with inches. And once you have that answer, raise your hand. Mitch, could you come up to the board and share your answer? There you go. Good. Sue, do you want to come up to the board and compare your answer to Mitch's?
Yes. I have the same answer.
Good. That means we've measured correctly.
Inches.
Now, did you guys notice the long line that each whole number went with? That's what the inches is. Okay. So does everyone understand what we just did?
Yes.
Now, I'm going to hand out a worksheet which is going to have objects that you might see around your house, and you're going to have to measure them. Now, this is your exit ticket for recess, so when you're done, make sure you raise your hand so I can check your answers. Good job. Are you done? Now, quick question. Say they didn't include inches long on there. Would you have to write that? Or would you just leave them 5, 6, and 2?
Right inches.
Because the inches is the unit of measurement we're focusing on today.
Inches.
Now, on a scale from 1 to 5, place it under your chin. 5 being you understood it. How well did you understand this full lesson today? Okay, good.